The Infinix Hot 60i is that budget smartphone everyone has been buzzing about. But after using it, does it actually deliver or is it just hype? I'm going to help you decide, and so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. So let me start by saying this. Infinix maintained a design we've seen before, something true to their design language instead of the flip-flop Techno has been up to. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but this is also a working strategy. This smartphone measures just 7.7mm thick and weighs 188 grams, making it surprisingly slim and lightweight for a device packing a 5160 mAh battery. That's seriously impressive engineering right here. The matte plastic back is a smart choice. It hides fingerprints beautifully and feels smooth in the hand without being slippery. As far as the build quality, it's built tough. It's passed the 1.5 meter drop resistance test and carries an IP64 rating for dust and splash protection. For a smartphone under 150,000 naira, that's remarkable. You're getting peace of mind that your investment can handle daily life. The color options are solid with 5 different variants to choose from, so you can definitely find something that matches your style. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that works reliably. There's this face unlock feature like with other smartphones around this price point now. There's a headphone jack and you get dual SIM plus an expandable storage option to use a micro SD card slot. For a budget smartphone, the feature set is genuinely impressive. Here's something I love about this device: the dedicated one-tap AI button. This isn't just some gimmicky addition. You can customize this button to do virtually anything you want. Double tap to turn on your flashlight, launch your most used app, or take a screenshot, or even activate Do Not Disturb mode. By the way, a long press activates Folax, which is Infinix's AI assistant. Now onto the display. The 6.7-inch AMOLED might not be AMOLED, but Infinix has done something smart here. They've prioritized the refresh rate over resolution, giving us 120Hz smoothness with 720p resolution. Now I know some people might probably be thinking 720p in 2025 for a 6.7-inch panel. I get it. But here's the thing, for social media scrolling, YouTube videos and everyday tasks, that 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel smooth. My one gripe here would be the 700 nits of peak brightness, which isn't as great outdoors. Although it's usable and something you'd find on similarly priced devices, this is not the best display outdoors. There's also an always-on display feature, which is a nice premium touch you wouldn't expect at this price point. Also, you'd notice the difference when watching high-resolution content compared to a 1080p display when you pixel peep. But for an entry-level smartphone, this is actually a smart compromise that prioritizes user experience over spec sheets bragging rights. Under the hood, we've got the MediaTek Helio G81 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage for the base unit, which I have here. This is the same processor from last year's Infinix Hot 50i, which honestly feels like a missed opportunity for a meaningful upgrade. But what can this smartphone handle, you might ask? For everyday smartphone tasks like WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, basic photography, and light gaming like Candy Crush, or even casual puzzle games, this smartphone performs admirably. The interface feels responsive thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate on this display, and XOS 15 does a good job with memory management. However, if you're a serious gamer looking to play Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, or even Genshin Impact at high settings, this isn't your smartphone. You might be able to run these games at low settings, but expect stutter, lag, even frame drops. For the price point though, that's completely understandable. The smartphone does support virtual RAM expansion up to 4GB, which can help you with multitasking, though I wouldn't rely on that for heavy workloads. The Hot 60i runs on XOS 15.1, which is based on Android 15, and it's surprisingly clean compared to older Infinix interfaces. The AI integration is impressive and you get features like AI Document Assistant, AI Note to Art Generator, and Folax Voice Assistant that uses advanced AI for better accuracy. The always-on display, smooth animations, and customization options make the software experience feel more premium than the price suggests. Yes, there are some pre-installed applications and occasional ads, but it's much more refined than budget Infinix smartphones from years ago. By the way, if you enjoy honest reviews like this one, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share with your friends that one friend still rocking a cracked screen. You'll be doing us both a favor. Thank you. Now let's talk about those camera rings at the back. And there are 3 here, but only one is actually a good camera. The 50-megapixel main sensor is the real deal, while the second ring houses an IR blaster for controlling your TV and AC, and the third one here is purely decorative. But don't let that fool you. The 50 megapixel camera produces decent shots in good lighting conditions, colors look natural, there's enough detail for social media posts, and the AI scene optimization actually helps in tricky lighting situations, but I wouldn't totally trust that. Just make sure you have good lighting to maximize these cameras. The 8 megapixel selfie camera is perfectly adequate for video calls and casual selfies. Is it the best? Nope, but it gets the job done with good lighting. Honestly, the real limitation comes with the low light photography. Don't expect miracles when the sun goes down. You want to stick to well-lit environments for the best results. You can shoot 2K video at 30 FPS from both cameras, but there's no stabilization, so keep those hands steady or consider a tripod for smooth footage. For the price points, these cameras deliver exactly what you'd expect. Good enough for social media and casual photography, but don't quit your day job to become a photographer with the smartphone. It's not that good. Where the Infinix Hot 60i shines is in the battery department. The 5160 mAh battery is a powerhouse that easily delivers a full day of use with power to spare. With light to moderate use, you're looking at a day and a half battery life. Even with heavy usage like gaming, streaming, and constant social media, you're getting about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. You also get a 45 watts fast charging system. Yes, you read that right. In a phone under 150,000 naira, you're getting flagship level charging speed. 0 to 50% in about 25 minutes, a full charge is just over an hour, and that's legitimately game-changing for a budget device. Infinix claims this battery is rated for 5 years or 1,800 charge cycles, with AI night charging to minimize battery degradation. If that proves true, you're looking at exceptional longevity for your investment. So let's talk about the extra features. Infinix didn't stop at the basics. You're expecting stereo speakers that actually sound pretty good, a 3.5mm headphone jack, yes, in 2025, NFC for contactless payments, an IR blaster, and even the Ultra-Link device-to-device calling feature that works up to 500 meters via Bluetooth. It's like a walkie-talkie thing that doesn't need internet. So, who is this smartphone for? The Infinix Hot 60i is perfect for students who need a reliable smartphone for studying and social media. If you're a first-time smartphone buyer wanting modern features without the premium price, anyone upgrading from a really old device and wants to experience smooth performance, people who prioritize battery life and fast charging, and also users who want AI features without paying flagship prices. Now, who should skip this smartphone? This isn't a smartphone for you if you're a heavy gamer who needs high-end performance. Camera quality is top priority for you. You absolutely must have a high-resolution display. Let's say you need 5G connectivity, or you already own the Infinix Hot 50. The upgrades here are not significant enough. At 139,900 naira or $90 for 4 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, the Infinix Hot 60i delivers exceptional value. Yes, it's an entry-level smartphone with entry-level compromises, but Infinix has packed this smartphone with enough features to make it feel special. The 45 watt fast charging system alone makes the smartphone stand out in its price category. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. The cameras are basic, gaming performance is limited, and that 720p resolution for the display might frustrate some users. But if you focus on what it does well, the excellent battery life, smooth performance for basic tasks, impressive AI features, and the solid quality for the build here, this smartphone makes a compelling case for itself. Now, are there comparable and slightly better devices on the market in some areas? Sure, there are. You might want to consider the Redmi 15C, the Galaxy A07, or even the Tecno Spark 40. I have them all linked in the description box below. You can go check them out. Check them out here too. Catch you in those videos. Kuidati.